So let's take a look at how to record an ask and backstory in preparation for a meeting you might attend. The reason you might be asked to do that in advance of the meeting is so that it brings greater clarity and everybody's time is utilized better during the meeting. So let's navigate by selecting Meetings, the navigation panel, and we'll go to a group meeting. I'm just going to select the meeting that I plan to attend. If I scroll down the page, you can see there's a section here called Ask and Backstory. This member's already recorded an Ask and Backstory. This is my profile. I'll edit that. Here I've got a little hint about what to put. So I'm going to go ahead and record some kind of question I've got. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little backstory in here to sort of explain and support what my question is. Now some people will record the backstory first and then produce some kind of I ask next, just as long as you get something filled out here. Go ahead and click, select Update. So now you can see I've got an Ask a Backstory, and then this other member's got an Ask a Backstory. As part of meeting preparation, it's great practice to come in here and read everybody's Ask and Backstory when it's available. Now during the meeting, that information is still available to you, but you can also go look at a particular member's profile, and in there will be the Ask and Backstory there within the profile. This might be, you might want to look at other things at the same time. So that's how you record an Ask and Backstory in preparation for a meeting.